Okay, welcome to a brief introduction of Adobe Color CC. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the Adobe Color interface. I'm going to show you how to explore themes that already exist and how to save themes, and then also how to grab themes from photographs. So basic exploration, I'm going to close this up because you wouldn't be able to see this if you just logged in. Oh, I do want to point out as I start this that you can see I'm logged in under my name into my Adobe Cloud, and that's very important if you're going to utilize the plugins that go with the Adobe products for bringing swatches in. So this is the color wheel that you should have been introduced to, and can find more information about that online if you were not for some reason. And the white area here indicates our base color. And the base color is helpful because one of the options we have here is we have the option to create palettes based on color relationships or color rules. And that base color is the color off which all of the other colors will be adjusted. So if I wanted my base color to be red, then all of the others would swing around that. If I choose a different color, so perhaps I choose complementary, then that red splits into these two colors. So if I move that, if I shift that color, the other colors around it also shift. So you can continue to explore different options with this. Now if you go to the Explore tab, you can see other templates, other palettes that users have made. You can also sort these by most popular. You can sort them by most used or what's been done this month or this week to see what's trending, which is really beneficial. And then the last tab is My Themes, which I'm going to show you is the place where any palettes that you save end up in this space, and you can always go in and edit them. So if I go back to Create, I selected a photograph of a work of art that I want to show you. If I bring this photograph in, then from the image, it will pull different colors, and I can drag them and change which colors it's pulling. I can make adjustments, and then it'll automatically load those colors into a color palette. Now, if I click up here into Create from Color Wheel, then it shows me all this information. Underneath these, you can see it tells you CMYK and hex numbers. If I click down, it'll also show me RGB, LAB, and HSB numbers or lab numbers. So I can see all the different ways that I might want to use this specific color. And then I can hit Save, and I can say Final Courthouse, and then it'll tell me that it's going to save it into my Creative Cloud library. And then I'll hit Save at that point. And then I'm going to have you pick up, if you're in my course, I'm going to have you pick this up in the lynda.com playlist that I've published for you that shows you how to bring these into Adobe Photoshop.